Hey everyone! I'm Kiffany with a K, and today we're going to dive into a really great hidden gem that can help you secure your financial future. Index Universal Life Insurance, or IUL for short. No, this is not your typical boring infomercial, nor is this a lecture series. With that being said, you can relax a little. Okay, so what exactly is an IUL? Let me break it down for you. First, an IUL has two important roles. One, it's a life insurance policy, which means if something happens to you, your loved ones get a payout called a death benefit. But here's where it gets really interesting. An IUL also helps you grow savings over time. Picture this. It is basically a financial solution that not only safeguards your family's future but also gives your savings the chance to grow like never before. With an IUL, you get the perfect blend of life insurance and investment potential. Your cash value can rise based on the performance of stock market indexes, all while keeping you protected from any market dips, so you can grow your money without the worry of losing it. What makes IUL truly exciting is its flexibility. You can easily adjust your premiums and death benefits as your life evolves. Whether you're planning for an unforgettable retirement, saving for that dream vacation, or ensuring your family's financial security, Index Universal Life Insurance empowers you to take control of your financial future. Let's dive into this adventure together. Index Universal Life offers protection and growth for your future, so here's how having an Index Universal Life plan works. When you pay your premiums, part of your money goes towards your life insurance, and the other part goes into a cash value account that grows with the stock market. This account is linked to a stock market index, which tracks how well certain stocks are doing. So when the market goes up, your savings can grow too. But don't worry, if the market goes down, your cash value is protected from any losses. Your money stays safe, even when the market dips. That's a huge relief, right? And here's where it gets even cooler. You have the power to choose. With an IUL, you get to choose how much risk you want to take. You can aim for more growth or play it safer. And over time, as your cash value grows, you can even borrow from it or use it to pay your premiums. So, to sum it up, having an IUL gives you both the security of life insurance and the opportunity to grow your savings, without the risk of losing your money when the market drops. It's a smart way to protect your future and build your wealth. Let's see how having an IUL can be used for retirement.
So, here I am, 62, thinking about retirement, because let's be real, I'm ready to trade my alarm clock for a black card. But you know what's been on my mind lately? My Index Universal Life Insurance, or IUL. I know, life insurance doesn't sound like a party, but this one's actually kind of lit, as the younger generation would say. Oh, and by the way, my name is Shirley. Let me tell you how I use my IUL coverage as I approach retirement. First, it offers tax-advantaged growth. My cash value grows based on stock market indexes, and get this, no taxes on the gains until I actually use the money. It's like I'm letting my money sit there, sip on a cold pop, and grow without Uncle Sam showing up at the door. Now, the real kicker is I can access that cash when I need it. I have a huge retirement party coming up and I need to make sure everything is perfect. From decor, venue, and of course hair, nails and attire. I can take out loans or make withdrawals, and since I've already paid in, I can enjoy that money without a tax slap on the wrist. Hello, freedom. And let's not forget about my family. There's a death benefit that goes to them if anything happens to me. It's a nice way to ensure they're taken care of, plus, maybe they'll finally stop worrying about me spending too much on shoes. I'll also leave them something to remember me by, besides my amazing taste in high fashion, of course. Best of it all, my cash value is safe from market dips. So, when the market decides to throw a temper tantrum, my savings are still happily growing. That's the kind of stability I need at this age. Having an IUL as part of my retirement plan means I'm not just relying on Social Security and hoping for the best. I've got options, lots of them. So yeah, I'm ready to retire, but I'm also ready to do it smartly. Retirement, here I come.
So as you see, an IUL policy is not just for older people reaching retirement, it can also benefit young adults as well. Let's explore how young adults can use their IUL to set their financial foundation.
So, here I am, 29 years old. I've got my first career, not just another job. I have a super nice high-rise luxury apartment now, and my best friend, my adorable cat, Sir Emerald, who honestly might be more famous on Instagram than I am. Life's pretty good. But then, bam, I realize there's this whole adulting thing I can't avoid forever. Bills, rent, and apparently, thinking about my future. Wait. Don't hit snooze on me yet, y'all. This is where I drop some gems. Index Universal Life Insurance. Yeah, you heard me right. I know what you're thinking. Life insurance? Isn't that for old people? Wrong. It's like a savings account on steroids, with a side of life insurance, just in case. Think of IUL like my secret adulting hack, because, trust me, it's not just for the I've got my life together crowd. It's for us too. Here's why. With an IUL, I'm still covered even if life throws a curveball, like, I don't know, Sir Emerald deciding to eat something expensive, but I'm also building this crazy cash value that grows with me. It's like planting a money tree. But with no watering involved. Fast forward a few years, let's say at this point I'm 35, maybe I want to buy my dream home, start that business I've been pondering over, or Sir Emerald needs to travel from all the Instagram sponsorships he has gotten. IUL's got my back because I can borrow from my policy tax-free. Yup, I'm basically my own bank. Plus, I get to avoid those cringeworthy credit card interest rates. Now here's the kicker, when I'm older, say in my 50s or 60s, this thing is still working for me, stacking up extra cash for retirement. Social Security may not even be a thing once I get to retirement age, so it's good to have a safety net for my future. Picture it, me, on a beach, sipping a coconut water, while Sir Emerald rocks his designer kitty sunglasses, and my IUL is just chillin', growing in the background. Winning at life, right? Yes. Ballin'. While some people are still figuring out how to adult, I've got this adulting hack in my back pocket. Lifelong protection and a money-growing machine. IUL is where it's at. Now, excuse me while Sir Emerald and I conquer the world.
That's some real financial game right there, folks. I hope y'all been taking notes. Your future depends on it. Speaking of your future, the kids are the future too. Let's explore how kids can benefit from an IUL policy.
Hey, my name is Ashton and I attend Pettigrew Elementary School. Lately I have been learning about future planning. I know I am just a kid, but my mom says it's never too early to plan for my future. Okay, imagine this, you know how in Roblox or Fortnite, you work to level up and unlock cool stuff? Well, my parents just gave me something kinda like that, but for real life. It's called an IUL, and it's like my own secret money game that's always playing in the background. So, while I'm busy building in Minecraft or getting that victory royale in Fortnite, that IUL is quietly saving money for my future. It's like getting bonus XP without even playing. And then, when I grow up I can use my IUL piggy bank money to buy something big, like my first car, or it can help my parents pay for my college, or maybe even more Robux, who knows? And the best part? It is always growing, it's like stacking V-Bucks or Robux, but for my real life. I think growing up is going to be pretty sweet.
If I knew about that when I was a kid, I would have said the same thing. Ashton, adulting comes with a lot, but at least you get a head start since your parents are securing your future with an IUL. Now we can see how having an IUL is beneficial at any stage in life. Doesn't matter if you start as a kid, young adult, or approaching retirement. As long as you start, secure your financial future today. Thank you for watching BizToons TV. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Pettigrew Agency on YouTube. Text Legacy to 9013349797 today to kickstart your financial journey.